before take a brake set, I'll get your window.
Perfect.
Flight control, flight engine, fuel section valve, mixture. Hello, I just cut myself off.
Step 4, Julie, caution for rotor wash, Robinson landing in the northwest corner in the vicinity of Alpha 1.
74 Juliet, that's Robinson inside.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 7505 Golf, 16 right, ready for a right crosswind departure.
7505 Golf, Van Nuys Tower, you'll be number 3.
Number 3, Cessna 7505 Golf.
60 Delta, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right, right down 16 Delta.
60 Delta, that's the food at the flood basin, no higher than 2,500 until north of the airport.
Say again for 60 Delta. Van Nuys Tower, medevac 191 Victor Echo, Newhall Pass inbound.
Number 500 Victor Juliet, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, clear land. Medevac 191 Victor Echo, Van Nuys Tower, straight in runway 16 right.
16 right, 191 Victor Echo.
So 60 Delta, this, what is this, Cessna ahead will be turning right crosswind.
Okay, 60 Delta, thanks.
So 500 Victor Juliet, Van Nuys Tower, yep.
Van Nuys Tower, number 500 Victor Juliet, with you, 16 left.
So 500 Victor Juliet, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 16 right, Victor Juliet.
FJ 537 Van Nuys Tower.
Ready?
FJ 537 cross runway 16 left, hold short, runway 16 right.
Cross 16 left, short 16 right, exit 537.
Performing Quebec, as you turn crosswind, traffic behind you is a bonanza, they're on a downwind departure.
Roger, we're turning crosswind now for Quebec.
Performing Quebec, that traffic has you inside, you can contact SoCal departure, good day.
Good night, see you later.
For 60 Delta, you can keep your turn to the downwind now.
Okay, we'll start our turn, 60 Delta, thanks.
Wind 140 at 12. Medevac 191 Victor Echo, Van Nuys Tower, continue traffic will hold in position.
Roger, 191 Victor Echo.
FJ 537, be ready to go. Hold traffic on a 3.5 mile final citation, runway 16 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 16 right, we'll be ready.
Welcome to Van Nuys Jetport.
Is this
It's always like this.
really?
Yes.
So right now they just have us on hold until.
And that's actually what I do.
Golf inbound, ILS 16
Oh, that's your
right.
job? Like
Actually,
actually,
51 Golf
Yeah,
Golf, Van Nuys
I
Tower,
fly
continue number
Gulfstream
2 on a
jets,
citation, they're
from there.
about 3.5 miles out, and 3.5 miles ahead of you, and 50 knots lower. Hey, 40 Victor Julie, can you make Papa?
Land 16 right.
40 Victor Julie, exit at Papa, no delay, contact ground point 7.
Exit Papa, no delay, ground point 71 Victor Juliet.
Exit 537, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
16 right, clear for takeoff, exit jet 537.
Medevac 1 Victor Echo, thanks for slowing it up, runway 16 right, clear land, caution, turbulence, wind 140 at 10.
Flying this.
Clear to land, 16 right, 191 Victor
I
Echo.
get to fly this.
This is fun.
Tower Bands 60 Delta, request turn to heading
But once you get the
300.
license, you can fly this.
60 Delta, remain below 3,000 until you're
got a
out of
lot
the
more
class,
than
Charlie
just the
overhead, and frequency changes approved
A lot
today.
more experience.
Okay, we'll stay below 3,000, and
It's a lot easier to fly.
we're turning 300, 60 Delta, thanks.
Actually, those are computer programming, basically.
Wind,
Got it.
Wind 160 at 8. After that 537, not sure if you got this, but departure frequency now is 124.6, 24. Contact SoCal departure.
546, we got extra 537, good night.
Ocean 1 Golf Golf, traffic short final. Number 2, you might see traffic on left base for the parallel, runway 16 right for land, wind 140 at 12.
Thanks for the wind, 16 right, clear to land, 1 Golf Golf.
Cessna 05 Golf at Charlie, cross runway 16 right, hold short runway 16 left.
At Charlie, cross 16 right, hold short of 16 left, 7505 Golf.
Alright, 686 Pop Charlie is visual 16
16 left cleared for takeoff right turn at the flood basin.
Medevac 1 Victor Echo, traffic on a mile final behind you, turn right and Mike, taxi straight into west with me.
Alright, so do me a favor, put your left hand on the control yoke.
Okay.
Medevac 1 Victor Echo, turn right
Put your right hand on the throttle.
Contact there, we'll get taxi straight into signature.
Give me full throttle, 1 Mississippi. Push it, push it, push it, push it. There you go, good, good, good. Push, 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 push. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it more, all the way. There you go.
And 16 right, Charlie, request right crosswind departure.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay.
Are we taking off?
Yep, gently pull back, put the nose on the horizon. Right about
05 Golf, turn left about 10 degrees over 5 taxiway Bravo.
Left about 5 to 10 degrees, 05 Golf.
This is 74 Juliet, I missed to say the direction of flight.
774 Juliet, I'd like a right crosswind departure.
This is 74 Juliet, next to land, 4 mile final, pull out of runway 16 right, line up and wait.
Just keep going straight, you're doing fine, you're flying the plane.
This is 74 Juliet, runway 16 right, line up and wait, next to land,
If I
pull
was
out of
to
3 mile final.
the nose will go down, right?
74 Juliet, I will line up and
Okay.
16 right.
You're not going to fall out of the sky.
Continue traffic holding in position.
We'll continue, we can also switch to the left if you like, 6 Golf, Charlie.
1 Golf, exit at Papa, traffic waiting to go, contact ground point 7.
Get off of Papa and over to ground, 1 Golf, Golf.
Papa Charlie, unable, traffic heading to your left on twin Cessna for the parallel.
No problem, 6 Golf, Charlie, continue.
This is 74 Juliet, right turn through to the flood basin, and 160 at 11, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Uh-oh.
774 Juliet, clear for takeoff, 16 right crosswind departure approved.
This is 05 Golf at the flood basin, right turn approved.
Right turn approved at the flood basin, 05 Golf.
6 Papa Charlie, again traffic heading to your left on final for the parallel, runway 16 right, number 1, clear to land.
Clear land, 16 right, we've got a wingman in sight.
Alpha 888 Zulu Zulu, Van
Golf course here?
traffic on a mile final,
At the golf
Pilatus, number
course,
2,
make a
runway
right-hand
16 right, clear to land.
And I literally just turned the wheel,
Yep.
like a car.
This is 21705 Van Ness, circle west of Van Ness Airport, right traffic, runway 16 right.
Start turning.
Circle west, right traffic, 16 right, 705.
Someone else call?
November 888 005, my final, get the Pilatus in sight.
Pilatus 8, question, Hawker 888 Zulu Zulu Van Ness, Tower, you're following the Pilatus short final, number 2, runway 16 right, clear to land, wind 160 at 8.
Follow the
The nose should always be above the horizon.
Low on incline,
This is
yes.
7 for Juliet, the
Well, we're
helicopter
going to
landing
level
with
off
taxiway low off to your right.
initially.
774 Juliet, okay.
We are 1,650.
This 7 for Juliet, just remain over the freeway, or the runway rather, and make sure you don't drift.
Right out there is fine.
Okay. Nice. So awesome. So how do you know exactly where we're at? Like, I mean,
I have a map here. I look out the window.
right on.
Now we can level off at this altitude for a bit.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, keep the nose right about there.
Okay. Beautiful. That's like the 101 right there, right?
Yes. And the reason we have to stay at 2,000 feet
6 Papa Charlie, can you
is
make
because you got a lot of
traffic on the
jets
final
going
behind
inbound
you?
to Burbank.
We'll make the left.
You're rolling this way, so straighten out the
6
airplane.
Papa Charlie, Roger,
okay.
Kilo is approved, if you could note the way off of Kilo, traffic on a half mile final behind you, Hawker jet.
Okay, Kilo right here, 6 Papa Charlie.
Thank you. This is 705, traffic short final, Hawker jet, number 2, caution with turbulence, wind 150 at 10, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, 705 will be
We're
with
gonna go parallel to the 101, no? Or
No, just keep going the way you're going. Keep going the way you're going.
visual, 16 right.
That was 473 Papa Charlie, Van Ness, right traffic, runway 16 right, no lower than 2,500 for traffic until advised.
Right, no lower than 2,500, right traffic on 16 right, 3 Papa Charlie.
05 Golf, if you could just maintain your altitude for now, for the next 2 miles, then you can resume on navigation.
05 Golf maintaining 2,000.
7 for Juliet, maintain your altitude for the NL advice for higher.
7 for Juliet, will maintain altitude.
Number 8 Zulu, exit enable, contact ground point 7, good day.
Ground point 7, 8 Zulu, good day. Yeah, sorry to confirm for 3 Papa Charlie, that was no higher than 2,500, correct?
Number 3 Papa Charlie, no lower than 2,500 on the downwind until advised. There's 2 crosswind departures that are restricted below you.
Alright, no lower than 2,500.
This is 05 Golf, you can resume on navigation, frequency change approved.
05 Golf, thank you, good day.
Good day.
whoa.
Alright, we'll start climb up to 2,500 for terrain, so you can go up a little bit.
That's pulling towards me, right?
Yep, that's fine right there.
Okay.
2,600 indicated they're going to level off. 2774 Juliet, I have traffic inside.
And this first one is Topanga Canyon. We actually want Malibu Canyon, which is the next one. And then, you know, if we head this direction, we'll just go into the valley. We'll be fine.
Right on. Whoa. And that movement is normal? Is this turbulence? Is the wind or what?
It's because of that big ball of fire in the sky.
Right on.
You're fine. Just let me know if you start feeling sick, okay?
I'll be fine.
Okay.
Whoa. That's creepy. Is this normal though?
Yeah, perfect.
Do you have to like balance it?
As long as I'm not panicked, you should be panicked.
Right on.
That's the golden rule.
Right on, right on. So now we're almost 2,500.
Yeah, you're fine here.
Beautiful.
Going to level off at this altitude.
Whoa.
You're fine.
We're going straight towards that mountain?
Yep.
What's that 705, turn right at Golf or Hotel, contact ground point 7.
Right at, we'll take the hotel, ground point 705.
Bird 905, Romeo, traffic, Pilatus, 2 mile right base, no delay, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Whoa.
You're doing fine.
I believe it's Cessna.
Alright, we're looking for that Cessna.
What got you started in this field?
I am the 7th in my family.
Oh, right. Right on.
Yeah, you can basically head straight towards that valley. This valley is a little too close to Santa Monica and LAX. That's why I go out a little bit further.
Right, like,
XR 557 minutes, or you're working on a release.
did I just make that turn myself?
Yep.
Come on, you're doing it.
I'm not doing a damn thing. I'll
Right
say it
on.
like this.
No, I mean, so just head that way.
Yep.
And stay at 2,500. Just level
Yeah,
off
you're
right
fine.
here. Cool. How dope is this? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wind 150 at 11.
Do you want to counterbalance when the plane goes to one side, kind of move to the other side, or it doesn't really matter?
Well, you're flying with the aileron, so if the plane starts to roll one way, you gotta tap the aileron to go the other way.
Right on. Keep it steady. That's my gear.
Challenger 604, Charlie, Charlie, Van SR, working.
See what you mean when you said that you fly with two fingers?
Yeah.
Is you literally just pull a little bit and it starts going up, right?
Yeah, you don't need to fly with your hands and have the almighty death grip.
Right.
Number one problem is that people are over controlling the airplane.
Got it.
We need about 5 minutes on the ground here. I don't know if we're in the way here, if you want to cross this over the other side to the hold area.
Trying to get it back to 2,500 here.
16 left.
Taxi, hold short, 16 left, exit at 557.
It's like, see me, no. What are we flying over?
It's Malibu Canyon, basically. This is the road that goes to Malibu Beach.
Got it. Beautiful house up there. That's right.
16 left, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff, wind 160 at 10. Clear to cross 16 left and clear to depart 16.
What does that do? Is that just speed?
Yeah, it's like riding a bicycle. As you pull the control yoke towards you, the nose goes up. Just like riding a bicycle, the engine wants to slow down. because of more resistance, right?
So that just puts
and at the same time, when you push forward, the nose goes down, you have less resistance, so the propeller wants to speed up. So a lot of times, after a while, your ear will, you know, you have many things tell you that you're going up and down. First, your vision.
Right.
You can feel it in your ears, but you can also hear it in your ears by the sound of the propeller. You can make a left turn, head towards the beach, and then we'll get the beach, make a 180 turn back, and go back to land.
All right, beautiful.
Charlie, Charlie.
And at this point, just fly any altitude which doesn't hit anything, okay? Don't hit dirt, and make sure we don't hit other pieces of metal or feathered fronts in the sky.
Got it. So I'm heading that way?
Yeah, pretty much.
We can fly over the water, right?
Yeah, but barely, because you also have LAX to deal with once you get over the water.
Got it, got it.
That's why I said more so the beach.
So should I go up higher?
Any altitude, your discretion. You don't need to go higher. I generally like to dip a little lower. You can stay at your present altitude.
All right, cool. There we go.
Yeah, because that's Malibu Beach right in front of us that we're looking at.
Wow, it's beautiful. Wow.
And again, once you get to the beach, you can make a right or a left 180-degree turn, and we'll start headed back towards Van Nuys.
Beautiful.
Challenge report, Charlie. Reset transponder, squawk 1374.
You get to do this every day, huh?
Not every day, but a few times a week, mostly on weekends.
Really? That's awesome. Coming down a little bit. Whoa.
So what do you think of the view?
Amazing. Holy shit, look at that. I like the idea of being able to just come and spend a couple hours out here, like, on the weekend, relax, clear your mind.
All right, why don't you give me a right or a left 180-degree turn? We'll start heading back home. So,
Is that enough or more?
what do you mean? Oh, no, it's fine. It's fine.
Wow, let's go. Love it. Oh, what a house up in the hill right there, huh?
From Kilo to...
And we need to go a little higher, just a little bit.
There I go.
I'm not going to give you a number, but just a safe altitude above this terrain here.
Got it.
And you could head at this point straight for Van Nuys, which will be probably around that way.
All right.
ILS 16 right.
For 68 Golf Lima, Van Nuys, RMN 16 right, clear to land.
Clear land 16 right, 8 Golf Lima.
So normally when you're flying on your own, you're moving this thing for speed.
Yep, but I never fly on my own.
Oh, really?
I'm either flying a jet with another pilot or flying in one of these with a student.
Got it. So normally someone is controlling this and the other one is controlling the plane?
No.
Or the same person's doing both?
Yep, same person does both.
Got it. So how would you hold it? You hold it like you would be right here?
I normally have, like, from this seat, I put my arm on the armrest.
Yeah.
Have here and like this. That's all.
So you're right here the whole time?
Yep.
So one hand really does all the...
Yep.
Yeah. And this one, as you push, it gives you more strength, more power?
More gas.
More gas.
More power, yes.
Oh, so it's literally like
it's the gas pedal.
gas pedal.
East coast for crane, 2.3 miles east of Van Nuys at 400 AGL. Additionally, 134 left, copies out of service, 134 right, reels out of service. Advise on this to contact the information.
And when you pull, it slows down?
Yes.
Got it. So normally when you're going out higher is when you push it. When you go up,
full. Observation, wind 15010, display 10, sky clear.
you also push it really slowly.
202, altimeter 2997.
Firm. You don't want to go go too slow. Oh, they're probably doing what we're doing. Sightseeing.
Discuss for crane 2.3 miles east of Van Nuys at 400 AGL. Additionally, 134 left, copies out of service, 134 right, rails out of service. Advise on this to contact the information is Juliet. Lima, Roger. For now, we'll be the class Charlie instructions, but we're in coordination right now.
Laser, see your speed?
We're going about 100 miles an hour or 95 knots.
Got it. Assuming go through this side?
No, you're fine. You're fine.
I'm gonna go higher. Can I start pushing this a little bit?
Yeah, if you want. We don't need to go higher. Your altitude is fine.
Beautiful day, man.
Yeah.
We picked a good one.
Yeah, yesterday was not so good. Yesterday was very cloudy and it wasn't so pretty.
Right traffic, runway 16 right. Right traffic, 16 right, says not 2 6
Trying to figure out where I'm at.
Well, there's Warner Center. Do you see Van Nuys Airport? You'll see the white buildings.
Oh, that right there? That's
The white buildings. Head straight for the airport for now. Straight line.
Right on.
And we want to be at 2,000 feet, so you can start a slight descent as terrain allows.
Alright, perfect.
Papa, check your transponder on, contact tower 120.2.
Going down.
Transponder's on at 20.2, Sierra 5, thank
In this case, you'll be pulling back, right? Because we're going down.
Say again?
You would pull back as we're going down?
Yep, just like a bicycle. I don't want to put too much stress on the engine propeller.
Holding short of runway 16 right at Charlie for VFR flight following to the east through the Charlie.
This is 32 Alpha Zulu Van Nuys, Charlie, wing number 3 for departure. Stand by.
Stand by, 2 Alpha Zulu.
First 6 Foxtrot Lima, you can remain on your squawk. At the flood basin, which is about a half mile south of the airport, you can turn left and direct to runway 8 for Burbank. Runway 16 right, line up and wait.
There we are.
Line up and wait 16 right after the flood basin, direct to Burbank for runway 8 326 Foxtrot.
6 Foxtrot, from it will be a left turn.
Left turn.
73 Zulu traffic holding in position, priority arrival.
Roger, 792%, please.
For Golf Lima, can you make one of the high speeds?
Golf Lima, we got suspect rate.
For Golf Lima, thanks. Contact ground point 7.
Ground point 7, Golf Lima.
Runway 16 right, press kickoff, and 140 right, 10.
Okay, 16 right.
Everything's great.
That's 73 Zulu, you might see jet departure off of Van Nuys, will be turning eastbound away from you.
Roger, says not 2%, please.
Van Nuys Tower says 7505 Golf, Woodland Hills, information Juliet inbound for landing.
There's 2 Alpha Zulu, caution with turbulence from the Phenom departure, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 16 right for Sierra 32 Alpha Zulu.
Van Nuys Airport, ATIS information, kilo current, wind 140 at 10, altimeter 29098.
Van Nuys Tower says 7505 Golf, inbound for landing over Warner Center.
For 7505 Golf Van Nuys Tower, right traffic, runway 16 right, squawk 0224.
Squawk 022405 Golf.
For 6 Foxtrot Lima, traffic high off your right is a Cessna 2000 indicated, turn left and contact Burbank Tower 118.7.
2.7, we'll see that at 6 pressure now.
Tower 4171 Hotel with you, 3,500 going into
4171 Hotel Van Nuys Tower, eastbound transition through Van Nuys, altimeter 29098. Did someone else call?
Sierra 579 Whiskey Whiskey,
Beautiful, just straight to the airport. That's what I want to landing. Perfect.
That's a 9 Lima Bravo, right crossing approved to the flood
As
basin
we
in
get close to the
160
airport, I will start slowing the airplane down, and the appropriate time will start a descent. And the most important thing is you don't want to
Whiskey Whiskey Van Nuys Tower, straight in runway 16 right, clear to land.
Straight in 16 right, clear land, Sierra 579 Whiskey Whiskey. For what?
You want to make a short approach and follow
2 3 Sierra 6.
departure.
Zulu going to departure 124.
Who else called?
4441 Lima. Service got a pass, transition to space for wetness.
4441 Lima, Van Ness, RTA type aircraft, transition approved, Van Ness altimeter 2999er.
2999er for 41 Lima, C172, Smart Uni.
41 Lima, Roger squawk 0227.
0227 41 Lima.
The runway and the roads are all like a waffle.
Yeah?
So soon we'll have to make a left turn and just go parallel to the roads, which will be parallel to the runway. And then we'll make a right turn, which again will be perpendicular runway, and parallel to certain roads, perpendicular to the other. So basically, we're on what's like another 45, we'll make a left turn and then a series of right-hand turns to the runway.
Got it.
You see the runway?
Yeah.
We're going to land this way, basically.
Oh, we're going to land like this?
Yes. So you can start a left-hand turn, just parallel, just follow the roads.
Right on.
That's the 7505 Golf entering downwind.
05 Golf, Roger. Continue downwind, lead number 3. I'll call out traffic you're following as you get closer to them.
Okay. Alright. Now right away, you instinctively pulled up. Look at, we ballooned.
Shit. Yeah, okay.
730 Zulu, the service you're following is 1 o'clock, about a half mile, 2,100 indicated, descending on final.
Super sensitive, huh?
Hello, the airplane said, Zulu
73 Zulu, Roger. Number 2, follow the service to runway 16 right, clear to land.
Number 2 following the service, ground 16 right, says,
There's the runway. Okay.
27 hotel contact, Whiteman Tower 135.0, good day.
So we have to look for the other airplanes in number 1 and number 2.
Got it, okay.
I see an airplane. That could be number 1 or
Service
number 2.
Snyder, Whiskey is your short final. You must see a helicopter crossing left to right at 500 AGL.
Look for that traffic, Service Snyder, Whiskey.
So 05 Golf, it will be number 3, following a Skyhawk on a 2-mile final.
I think I see the traffic at site 05 Golf, number 3. I think that's the guy we're following.
05 Golf, continue current heading. You can turn base directly over Cal State Northridge.
Turn base over Cal State Northridge, 05 Golf.
Cal State Northridge. Oh, it's right here. Cal State Northridge. That's where I went to school.
Yeah,
Tower, Cherokee, 3920 kilo.
There's the Cessna.
Holding short, 16 right.
Cherokee 3920 kilo, Van Ness, RSA, direction of flight.
Yeah. Okay, turn parallel to the road.
20 kilo.
Now we're going parallel to the road.
20 kilo.
05 Golf, base turn approved.
05 Golf in the turn. Alright, now we're going to start slowing down and descending, okay?
Okay.
For 90 Whiskey, you can exit at one of the high speeds, so kind of contact ground point 7.
Descending as well.
Of the high speed,
slow down.
ground point 7, that's 90 Whiskey.
Okay?
So 90 Lima Bravo, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles opposite direction, possibly a helicopter 1,500
Yeah, we
indicated
want to go
frequency
down.
change approved.
Right about here is good.
Okay.
Look into traffic, that's 90 Lima Bravo.
Now I'm going to drop the flaps. The nose is going to want to come up. We're going to...
So correction, Cherokee 20 kilo, do you want flight following to Fullerton?
Negative, 20 kilo.
Alright, start a turn for the runway.
Right. Okay, where's the runway? Oh, right there.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Okay. With it.
Do me a favor, put your right hand on your knee.
Cherokee 20 kilo, expect 2 minutes.
We're a little high,
Okay.
so I want to get a feel of what you're doing versus what the airplane's doing. Does that make sense? So that's why I want a very light control.
Okay.
That is Tower 2 Lima, the crossing, Smithson Lane, so what is?
4 Lima, contact Whiteman Tower, good day.
Good day, thanks.
Is the idea to push in?
73 Zulu, turn right at hotel, contact ground point 7.
We have to slowly be pushing.
Turn right on,
you're fine.
helicopter
Just
on.
Keep it coming down. Keep it
Okay.
steady.
Okay.
Now ultimately, you want to play a game.
Contact,
You won't
ground
want to
set
land.
2%.
You want to keep the nose wheel off, and by playing this game, verify landing clearance, 05 Golf.
05 Golf, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right cleared, 2 land. Little wind there on final.
Yeah. So,
just correct. Okay, now we're on glide path, exactly.
Wind 170 at 7.
Now, look the whole runway, okay? I'm gonna start pulling out the power. At this point now we're a glider. And just look at the runway. And you just keep the nose off. You're steering the nose. Just feel for the runway. Let's see, can I make this one? Yes, I can.
Good evening, Tower. Jet 557 is holding short 16 rated Alpha.
Jet 557.
Van Nuys ground says 7505 Golf is off at Golf. Taxi to ROTOR F.
7505 Golf, Van Nuys ground, follow correction, start your taxi now, no delays, here it's about 100 feet in trail, it'd be continued parking.
Continue parking, no delay, 05 Golf. So what'd you think?
that was awesome.
Ops 44, Van Nuys ground.
Landing,
Bravo, South Charlie.
like pretty,
44, proceed with
landing, it's a science, it's an art, it's skills, it's all the above and then some. The landing was good. I stopped a little short because I wanted to get in front of this guy.
request taxi.
Got it.
It happens all the time. It's nothing that put too much stress on the airplane.
2373 Zulu, Van Nuys ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha, Charlie.
Taxi to 165 via Alpha and Charlie, 792 Crystal.
This is the airspeed. Where's the regular speed right now? Oh, there it is.
What speed? Oh, the engine. This is the engine speed.
Got it.
That's a tachometer. It's like what you have in your car, maybe.
Right. Follow that. You want to be on the line, or is it like
On the line. Yep.
Got it.
And you steer with your feet. See, this does nothing.
Oh shit! That's
You know, I always screw with
Here I
people.
was thinking that I was making a move. I was like, oh shit, I'm incorrect.
No, I always go, look, what am I going to do? Oh my gosh!
And the pedals, how they work? Like, is just little left and right?
Yep, the pedals are connected to the rudder, the nose wheel, and it's a split pedal, so you have toes and heels. The toes do the brakes on the main wheels, and you can operate each brake independently of each other.
Got it, so that you can...
Yes.
And this too does the nose?
Yeah, this does the nose.
So in order to start doing lessons, you just have to kind of like book him out and like just chill up here and do an hour, like more lessons.
We'll explain that once we shut down.
Right on.